We have here a 66 square meters of lot area, 180 square meters of floor area, 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and 2-car garage. So location natin is San Francisco del Monte, Quezon City. Malapit siya sa Fisher Mall and Quezon Avenue.
When she want, when she need, better take all you get, my love, cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need, keep it all for yourself, my love, cause it really don't matter to me. I fell for you, I took the fall, I gave my heart every single time. I know the truth, I see your heart, you know I'm just some.
Hi guys, so welcome to another Right House TV open house tour, and samahan nyo ako today. Itutour natin tong brand new 3-story townhouse located here in San Francisco del Monte, Quezon City. Tumula. So ayun nga guys, so pag pasok mo from your main gate is your 2-car garage. Ayan, maluwag and malapad na rin siya. And then yung garahe natin is equipped na with CCTV. And dito mo na rin makikita yung inyong water pump. And then yung cistern tank natin, sabay yung elevated tank natin is nandun sa bubong. Okay? So dito may mini gate rin tayo dito for added security. Sabay ito yung pinaka main door natin, which is nabubuksan rin to or natitiklop para mas maluwag. So mas engrande tignan yung ating main door. So dito yung staircase natin paakyat sa ating main living space. Andito nyo na rin makikita yung pinaka ladder natin para sa access dun sa ating fire escape. Pati ito na rin access mo papunta dun sa bubong natin para if ever na mag-maintenance kayo ng mga solar panel, dito na rin. Okay? So dito, we have a bedroom. This could be a elderly room or office room or depende sa inyo. Okay, so yung flooring natin is wood tile design. May floor-to-ceiling na built-in wardrobe tayo and may included na rin na AC unit. Okay? So this bedroom also comes with its own ensuite toilet and bath. Meron rin tayo ditong vanity cabinet, granite counter, sabay may vessel sink tayo na hugis itlog. Okay, saan isa? Ano tawag na? Boiled! Boiled na itlog. Okay, so may vanity mirror rin tayo. Yung toilet natin, sara natin. And then may included na rin tayo na balde. Provided by rain or shine. Baka naman. Ito yung ating shower area. Hose lang yung ginamit natin dyan. Okay? Ano ba to? So dito, may air well tayo. Parang nag-act na rin siya as skylight. So kapag pinatay natin yung ilaw, ayan, medyo nag-illuminate pa rin yung pinaka-toilet and bath natin dito. Yung built-in wardrobe natin may pagka fabric design yung ginamit nila sa laminate. So may texture siya. Okay, so kita tayo sa ating main living space sa ating second floor. Tara. Okay, so dito sa second floor natin, may main door tayo dito pag akit mo dito sa ating main living space. Dito may bintana rin tayo. Ito yung likod nito is yung kitchen natin, yung galley kitchen natin, pero mamaya na yan. So pagpasok mo from your main door is your living area and your dining area na rin. So dito, sa side na to, is yung dining area ninyo. Sabay dito yung living area natin. So may built-in media wall tayo dito. Wall-mounted siya. So hindi takaw sa space. May storage space na rin tayo dito sa baba. Sabay may mga open shelves. And meron tayo dito ang extra large sliding window. Okay? So may included na rin tayo dito na zebra blinds and may equipped na rin tayo ng CCTV. Then dito sa ilalim naman is yung ating pinaka-CCTV system. Okay. Now, yung ceiling natin, ayan, may mga cove ceiling design na rin tayo. May mga pin lights na rin. And then dito is yung inyong galley kitchen. So meron tayong counter sa dalawang side. May dual sink tayo. May farmhouse na faucet tayo dito. Napakaganda. And medyo malalim na rin siya. And undermount yung pinaka-countertop natin dito. Granite countertop. Okay? Dito may additional ventilation which opens up dun sa ating staircase. Spot for your fridge. And then dito may included na range hood, sabay dito ka magbubutas for your cooktop. So ang dami mong space dito gumawa ng mga food works. Meron kasi dito and dito. Pati yung counter natin dito is may mga pull-out drawer and mga cabinets. May dish rack ba? Check natin. Meron o wala? Wala tayong dish rack pero okay lang. Madali lang naman yan. And pag sa akin kayo bumili, kayang-kaya ko palagyan yan ng dish rack. Diba? Okay. So here we have a powder room. Palit ng palit yung ating dito, sink. Yan. So, 1, 2. Dalawang dangkal yung ating sink. Napaka-cute. And then dito may toilet tayo and bidet. Okay, so perfect na perfect na. Then next up is your bedroom number 1. Wait. Voice na ako. Ba't kasi ayaw mo lagi buksan yung bintana? Wait lang guys. Kailan guys, buksan ko lang yung mga bintana. Lagi kaming kulob eh. Mga tamad magbukas eh. Much better na. Balik tayo sa ating bedroom number 1. Yan. So, equip rin pala tayo ng mga intercom bawat floor and bawat bedrooms. So, this is your bedroom number 1. May ensuite toilet and bath. May vanity cabinet, vessel sink, PVC plug. Sabay may toilet and black shower set tayo dito. With heater na rin siya. Wala siyang shower enclosure pero meron ka dito. Tawag dito, shower curtain. Okay. Kit na nga natin, pinaka-faucet natin dito. Unique. Okay, now on this side naman is yung ating bedroom number 1. We have this much space. Floor to ceiling na built-in wardrobe. May open shelves na rin dyan. Dito yung provision for your cable. So dito yung magiging media wall ninyo. And then yung orientation ng inyong magiging kama is on this side or sa gitna. Depende sa'yo. Yung ceiling natin, may cove ceiling design na rin dyan. Sabay we have this extra large window na rin. Tinted na rin siya and then may included na rin na AC unit which is window type. Ayan ang hangin. Diba? On ba yung mic? Okay. So, ayan. Nag-act na rin to as pinaka-firewall natin. So, parang safe. Included na rin na zebra blinds. Okay. So, that's it dito sa ating second floor. Nakita tayo sa third floor para sa dalawang pang bedrooms. So, okay, dito naman sa third floor natin. Dito mo makikita yung inyong dalawang bedrooms. Sabayan dito na rin master bedroom. On this side, meron tayo ditong cabinet. Dito nakalagay yung inyong mga batteries para sa solar panel natin. And dyan na rin yung pinaka-system natin. Okay, so may space pa tayo dito. So, pwede mo rin itong maging, tawag dito, informal living area or receiving area bago pumasok to sa master bedroom. Okay, so here, in your master bedroom, ang dami mong storage space on this side. Mula dyan hanggang doon sa dulo, puro storage space yan. May built-in wardrobe tayo dyan, floor to ceiling. May intercom. Yung third floor natin, buong flooring natin hanggang sa labas is mahogany wood planks. Yung provision for your cable, so dito yung magiging media wall ninyo if ever. And you have a baliktad. Private balcony. Double door siya, so perfect na perfect. Lapad na rin, and then this is your view from your balcony. Okay, so may apartment sa tapat natin. And malawag na rin yung pinaka-street natin. Okay, so balik na tayo dito. On this side, we have our ensuite toilet and bath. Maganda na rin yung brand ng ating vessel sink, Soho, pati yung ating faucet. Okay, so dito, may granite countertop na rin tayo sa vanity cabinet with glossy finish design. Laki na shower enclosure natin dito. Wow! Pang sauna. Meron tayo ditong black shower set fixture, sabay may included na rin na heater. And ang ganda netong finish ng wall natin dito. Porcelain siya pero may design. Nice. May pagka-parang tato, no? So, ito yung pinaka-toilet natin with included na rin na bidet. And dito, we have a additional exhaust dito. Then, next up, meron pa ba? Yeah, meron rin pala itong solar panel, guys. May water tank and water pump na rin. Ano? Hindi pa tayo tapos doon?
Pumunta ka pa doon.
Hindi pa pala tayo tapos, guys. May isang bedroom pa pala. Okay, so this is our last bedroom pala. Yun na, mag-outro na agad eh. May intercom, mahogany wood plank, sabay dito. You have your own ensuite toilet and bath. Same na rin ng brand do sa master bedroom natin. Dito yung toilet natin. Sabay shower area natin is nandito na. Sliding door naman dito. Ayan. Okay, so may design na rin siya dito. May accent na rin siya. Solid door na rin yung mga ginamit dito sa ating mga pinto. Lahat rin pala ng pinto natin is may door stopper. And ayan, almost same design siya doon sa baba. May floor-to-ceiling na built-in wardrobe tayo dito. Sabay extra large window with AC unit. Sabay dito yung media wall ninyo. And then ito yung view from your bedroom. So medyo unobstructed na tayo dito. May ano lang, barbed wire lang. Pero pag binuksan mo to, dire-diretso na yung hangin. Ayan, dire-diretso na yung hangin. So ayan guys, so let's do a recap doon sa baba, sa main living space. Tara! Okay guys, so recap tayo. So we have here a 66 square meters of lot area, 180 square meters of floor area, 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and 2-car garage. So location natin is San Francisco del Monte, Quezon City. Malapit siya sa Fisher Mall and Quezon Avenue. Okay, so if you have any questions about this property, you can send us a message on our Facebook page at Right House TV or dito sa contact number namin. Ayan, tawag na agad-agad na. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts at Facebook and TikTok at Right House TV_official. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Also, mag-comment rin kayo dyan. Every video, maglalagay ako dyan ng top comment last week or last video. Okay? And yeah guys, that's it for today. My name is Jello, and then see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Oh!